Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes, and today you join me from the cockpit of my dad's trusty Mark 1 Focus estate. As I mentioned in my last video, Maud, my Maud Mark 2 Escort, is being stored up in Northampton ahead of her welding work that is now booked in to be done at the end of this month. This morning I've been invited to a bit of a birthday barbecue that has been organised by Danny Inkpen. Danny runs Inky's Autos in West Drayton, which is near Uxbridge, just outside West London, and is the guy that owns the super cool P100 rat rod. I'll leave a link to his Facebook page in the description of this video. Definitely go and check him out. He works on some really interesting cars, including a Mark 2 Escort RS2000 that he's restoring for a guy called Mark. Now Mark is organising a classic car auction this afternoon, and there's going to be some really high-end cars there, and we're actually really lucky that we've all been invited to go to that auction. Something a bit different than, you know, the old banger Fords that you always see on my channel usually. I am running super late as usual, but it is only 25 past 10, which is super early for me, but it shouldn't take me too long to get to Inky's Autos, so I'll catch up with you when we get there. Right, so I'm here at Inky's Autos. Plenty of nice Fords parked up, many of which you would have seen on my channel quite recently, including this, which was my favourite car at last week's meet, COSWORTH powered Mark 1. Love this car. Have another look at Danny Inkpen's P100 rat rod, Pinto running on twin 45s. Yeah, plenty of other petrol heads here. Barbecue's been going, thanks to Danny for the nice burgers. Yeah, and pretty soon we'll be heading to the classic car auction. That's Danny's Facebook page, West London Classic Fords. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Now, as you know, I'm not here with Maud, but I've been offered a ride in this thing today, which I'm really excited about. That's the owner over there. So yeah, today's going to be a good day. First time I've ever been in a COSWORTH powered Mark 1 actually. I've been in a COSWORTH powered Mark 2 before, and the Mark 1 is now wearing one of the West London Classic Ford stickers. Stickers straight, it's the car that's bent. Yeah. Alright, so as everyone starts getting ready to leave, I need to figure out where I'm going to park my dad's Focus. Bit of a shuffle around of cars going on. So with the trusty Focus safely parked up, it's time to hit the road.
Let's go, mate.
So I'm on board with Kevin in the back, who owns the car, and Stuart, who's driving today. Oh, the Uniflow Mark 1's turned up.
Yeah.
Just look at the interior, all as it should be. Hasn't been ruined by stupid switch panels like I do with my cars. Really, really nice. Cheeky boost gauge where the clock would be in the centre console.
Good. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hey.
Bit of exercise. I've earned my lift today. So is that the car's fault or the driver's fault?
The car's fault. I am a driver.
You going to put a few bids in today then, or?
Well, they're not. Start me off on it.
Check these windows out, look. Look at that, oh my days. Now that is pucker. Here we are, what a machine that is. Quite a tame drive down, but yeah, drives really well. Had a couple of little boosts in it. Nowhere near what it's capable of, you could feel it, but wow, I'd love a Cosy. This Series 1 RS Turbo was here before we got here. The rest of them are just coming in now. And now everyone's parked up, so it's time to go and look at some exotic cars. You can already see a Ferrari over there, nice Triumph. Wow, look at this place. Loads of cars that I know nothing about. We'll have a look anyway. Ferrari, an Avanti, whatever they are. Beautiful E-Type Jag. Check out the Bentley, oh my days. Porsche 944, automatic one though. Old Rolls Royce. Another E-Type Jag, this time a convertible. Lotus Cortina Mark II. Another E-Type Jag, the bonnet up. And a Mark II Jag, that interior, all the wood and that. Yeah, I'm having to obviously keep as quiet as I can because there's an auction going on as we speak. Mercedes 280 SL. Another Rolls Royce. I spy some tyre shine. Old Mercedes 250 SE. Jaguar XJS convertible. An old Mini Moke. Kit car based on a Mini, I think. Peugeot 205 GTI 1.91. Old Crayford Mark 1 Cortina. I assume it's a Crayford convertible, bright red interior. Check out the XR4i Sierra. I don't think this can be considered a classic just yet. So many really nice cars. Classic Mini. Cage and bucket seats inside.
122, I'll take it. 122,000.
So a brief look at the action. Look at the cars in here. Oh my god, this old Lambo. Ford GT, wow. That is really special. Found a SAF Cosy. Another classic Mini. Oh, look what I found. Mark 1 Lotus Cortina. Ford Falcon. Some quite interesting things in this tent. Land Rover, Bentley. Perfect for a picnic. Plenty of E-Type Jags here, including this one. Couple more old Rolls Royces over here. Check out the paintwork on this one. None other than Chris Evans. Just bought this Merc apparently. Thunderbird. We've just come next door to this water leisure park thing. Right, after a quick drink, it's time for us to do the off. Thanks for the invite, Danny.
You're welcome, mate. It's been an amazing day.
As Kev gets the COSWORTH Mark 1 fired up into life. I think this Escort van's getting a little bit of water before that gets started up. Looks like Kev's in the driver's seat for the return leg. Belt on when Kev's driving, is it? Yeah. Oh my god. Alright in the back? Yeah, yeah, we're definitely in Mexico, by the way.
That's what the guys he wants.
So easy on this one. Yeah, these are average speed, you've got to watch these ones.
Just got to do 20 mile an hour now for the rest of the journey. What's it up? It's good in the mud, but it's
Oh mate, oh.
quick, man.
Oh, if I had the money, I would have a COSWORTH, definitely. Out and push.
Good.
Roundabout. What a machine, what a drive. Kev, thank you. What a machine. It's actually running on low boost at the moment. It's only making about 0.6 bar. So there's something wrong, but still, what a tool. And the grip with these R888 tyres as well. Amazing. Everyone else has turned up. Just got to wait for the man himself to open the gate. I wonder if Kev's going to get a f***ing.
No, I don't think he was looking. There's always one, isn't there? I don't think he was looking. He was. Open burnouts in the yard, yeah.
I never thought that when I saw this car at the meet last week that today I'd be getting a passenger ride in it. Wow, what a great day. What a great car. What a great driver as well. I would help, but I've got the camera. Oh, I'm in the way, aren't I? Later on, people.
Take care, mate.
See ya. Goodbye. See you soon. See ya.
See you later, mate.
See ya. Well, what an absolutely epic day that was. It was nice to have a look around some more exotic cars, although it was great to see a couple of Fords at the auction as well. I didn't do as much sort of talking because, you know, it's still really weird for me, you know, talking to a camera in front of a load of strangers, and with the bidding and that going on in the background, I didn't want to make too much noise, but I hope you enjoyed having a look around the cars anyway. Massive thanks to Danny for the invite, I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys check out the Inky Autos Facebook page. I'll leave a link to that in the description of this video, as well as the West London Classic Ford page. Huge thanks to Kevin for taking me for a spin in that COSWORTH powered Mark 1. Wow, what a machine. I hope you get the boost issues sorted soon, and then who knows, maybe one day I can come for another joyride. I've got a whole week off work next week, and I'm probably going to be spending a bit of time on Esther, getting her ready for her mapping session at the end of next month, and Another company, not the company I've been waiting for the last 6 months, have been in touch and they've said that I might actually have a rear-wheel drive Zetec sump ready on Tuesday. So hopefully I'll be able to spend a little bit of time on Maud's new ST170 engine, which has been sitting on the stand for ages now. Whatever does happen, I'll let you know in another video. But for now, I'm going to end this video here. If you did think it was any good, please do give it a thumbs up and a share. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Click subscribe if you're new and you want to keep up to date with all my future uploads, and check the links in the description to my social media and my email address. But other than that, until next time, thanks for watching.